It is expected that exposure to nature by viewing photographs such as trees, water, and landscapes may help those who are hospitalized to decrease some of the negative effects of an illness or disease or treatment. Viewing pictures of nature may not only be calming to those who are sick, but may temporarily distract the person from the discomfort and pain they experience. It is expected that exposure to nature via photographs when one is unable to directly experience the outdoors because of an illness will provide respite and/or distraction from the side effects of one's treatment or illness disease. Thus, the overall value of allowing those who are ill to experience nature by viewing photographs may improve one's attention and mood, as well as reducing symptom distress and pain. Nature is the ever-changing world around us. It is our natural environment. It reflects the life and the wonderful images we observe. Our mind seeks adventure and wonder. Our eyes see and tell us about the day's events and our surroundings. We look, we observe, and then we experience. In this DVD, you will view images of magnificent wildlife, sunrises and sunsets, creatures great and small, those seen and unseen in the wilderness, the tame and the untamed, beautiful flowers, butterflies and vegetation, and unique birds in flight that show the power of uplifted wings.